The docks is a vital place on the railway. Ships from all around the world would arrive with holidaymakers or cargo, which would then be unloaded and taken all over the island. This summer, however, it seemed like more and more ships would come in. Salty couldn't keep up. The Fat Controller had sent Percy to help, but even that wasn't enough. So Diesel was sent to help. He arrived one morning. "Good morning," he purred. "Ahoy there," greeted Salty. "Welcome to the docks." But Diesel just rolled away. "Don't mind him, Salty," Percy said. "But do keep on the lookout. He's very troublesome," he said as he went back to work. Soon, the three engines were hard at work, shoving trucks here from the docks. Diesel, however, would sometimes be careless. "You silly engine!" It wasn't me. The trucks bumped themselves. He would either run off without them knowing. Percy had had enough. "Diesel barely does anything here," he complained to Salty. "And when he does, he always causes a mess. I don't know how the Fat Controller hasn't sent him packing forever." Fred rolled up. "Why don't you teach him a lesson?" Suddenly, an idea flew into Salty's exhaust and whispered it to them. The next day, Fred put a truck into a siding that sank to the sea. It hadn't been used in a long time. Soon, Diesel arrived. "Ahoy, Diesel," began Salty. "Could you bring that truck here?" "Why can't you do it?" Diesel asked. "It's been very troublesome, and I think it could use a kick." He winked and chuckled quietly. Diesel buffered up to the truck. The truck's brakes were hard on, but Diesel had no idea. He pulled and pulled and pulled, but the truck didn't budge. Come on, grr," he growled. Try pushing to get him moving," cried Salty. So Diesel backed up and the truck released his brakes. Diesel gave one big push, then grease and oil. Diesel was sunk. Percy, Fred, and Salty all laughed. Soon, they brought the breakdown crew and the Fat Controller. "You have caused lots of confusion and delay on my railway. You shall stay in your shed until you're wanted," scolded the Fat Controller. Since Diesel had been sent to the sheds, Benji came to help, and the three engines were working harder than Diesel ever could.